Again, today we are doing song, but I have to put it on a song cause I'm not a very good song reader, so let's get to this video and smash that like button and subscribe. Okay, let's get to this video. This isn't mine. Mine is the way it goes. Yeah, but it's still charges. No, it goes down. It doesn't go up, it goes down. Because it was at 1 then I put it on the charger.